Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. So a little over 12 weeks ago, I decided to fund a Moomoo account with $500 to prove to you it's not about how much money you have in your trading account. It all comes down to the strategies and the approach you have when navigating the stock market. So in today's video, we are going to be doing an update on this $500 swing trading challenge. We're also going to be talking about the strategy I use, so stay tuned for that. And guys, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, everything you guys need to get started with swing trading. Whether you're a beginner or you're a advanced trader that just wants to learn more, check it out down below because we're doing a 50% off sale. You guys can use code LEARN to get 50% off. So click that link. I'll see you guys in there. And guys, let's jump into this here. So this past week here has been a relatively mixed week here for my general trading with my large account, but more importantly with my small account here. What we actually did was able to turn a profit. Yes, we made about $62 or about 6%. So our total account value is $3 shy of $1,000, which is awesome. We've almost doubled our money in 12 weeks. And I know a lot of people are like, oh my God, 12 weeks to double your money. Hey, my job as a trader is to do one thing, and that is to make money. So as long as I'm profitable and I'm going about my trading the right way, choosing quality over quantity, always understanding my risk, my stop, my profit, I think we'll be in a great spot. And what's even crazy is at one point during this trade, I was almost at $1,100 and I did not take profit. So we'll talk about that, and let's get started here. So this is the stock here. Let's pull it up. Ticker symbol BFH here. You guys know this was on my watch for a minute now. Now, looking at the daily, you guys can see that one of the main reasons I really liked this stock here was it has this really nice upward trend, as you guys can see. It's gone from lows at $27 all the way up to highs at $60. It also had this really nice trend line, as you guys can see. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see it a little better. But it has this nice trend line where each and every time it hits that trend, we do get some good buying pressure out of it, right? So hits it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. More importantly here, it really loves these moving average lines. So we have this blue line and we also have this red line. The blue is the 90-day moving average line. The red is the 200-day. The main difference between the two is the 200. So the red line is going to act as a harder support, harder resistance. If I could buy a stock on the 200-day moving average line every single time, I will. But you guys can see here that this stock had heavy support on it in the past. So it established good support. It was undervalued on the RSI. But more importantly is looking at other time frames, looking at the 1 hour chart. This is why we got in. Our average cost for this position was near and around $49, hopping in at $49 for the breakout of these moving average lines. So the approach that I had was hopping in, getting in on the breakout, and using the moving average lines as heavy support here. So you guys can see that the 200-day moving average line is coming in contact. It hits it. We have good buying pressure here. But our average stop loss, so our stop loss on this trade here was keeping it underneath this. So you guys can see where we have this trend line and we have all these moving average lines right here. So this is why we sold and got out of the position, and it worked out very well. So you guys can see we sold for a little bit of profit. It wasn't super crazy, but then we sold, and the next day the stock got absolutely obliterated. So this is why understanding where you're going to be taking your profit, why you're taking your profit, is crucial for your trading. So for us, it was just the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame on that trend line, keeping our stop below it. That's exactly what we did, and it panned out really, really well. Another stock here that we are in on is ticker symbol ELV. ELV here is a position we just entered. We're up a little over 1%, which is really, really nice here. So you guys can see the risk and reward is about 3 to 1. It hit that 200-day moving average line and it's moving its way up. You guys can see the 1 hour time frame is approaching that 90-day moving average line. So hopefully we can get that breakout above it and the stock will rally its way up. So for me, when it comes with navigating and swing trading in the market, it's always important to understand why you're buying the position, the approach you have behind it, where you're going to be taking your profit, your stop. All that stuff is crucial for your trading. And if you guys want to learn more about it, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic, where we break down how to sell, how to buy, why you buy, where to buy, all that stuff. So check it out down below. And if you're just getting started and you don't want to take that step to a course, I get it. At least get a journal, a trading journal where you can start documenting your journey, because then it'll start forcing you to keep track of your trades. It'll start forcing you to understand what's going wrong, what's going right. And this is the one that I sell. You don't even need that. You can use a 99-cent journal from the dollar store. But what this does is it will help you work on your approach, your checklist, your strategy. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week when we see how this trade pans out. So hit that like button, guys, and we'll see you guys. And don't forget code LEARN to get 50% off. So we'll see you. Take care.